What's up, watch nerds? I'm JP, the creator of this channel. Welcome to Dad Mods Watches. Whether you are a first-time viewer and subscriber or you've been here for a long time, I'm thrilled to have you here. On this channel, I take a hands-on approach to horology. I offer a variety of content, including detailed watch builds, in-depth reviews, and tutorials designed to fuel your passion for timepieces. My goal is to provide you with engaging and informative content that caters to enthusiasts and newcomers alike. My journey began with a fascination for watches and watchmaking, which led me to share my experiences and knowledge through this platform. This passion has since evolved into the creation of my own watch brand, Noctua Watch Corp. At Noctua, I specialize in crafting rugged yet sophisticated timepieces, hand-assembled right here in Canada. My watches are designed for those who appreciate durability without compromising on style. I'm excited to share this journey with you, and I look forward to bringing you along as I explore the art of watches and watchmaking. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to explore my videos, leave comments, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you for being a part of the Dad Mods Watches community. Let's continue this horological adventure together.